Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, the following topics will be covered. Now, in businesses, there might be a situation wherein you need to change or update the cost price of your products. So let's see how we can achieve this in Axanta ERP. So first, we shall open the product master and select a product for which we shall change the cost price. So this is the product that we have selected for this example, and as you can see, the cost price of this product is 5 KD. So now we shall change this cost price from 5 to 7 KD. Now kindly note that in order to change the cost price of the product, you must ensure that there must be a stock for that product. So in this case, for this product, the stock on hand that we have is 16 units. So now if we calculate and see that the stock value that we have for this product is worth 80 KD at this cost price. So now we shall change the cost price of this product. So to change the cost price, we'll go to the menu, we'll go to the inventory module, and under journals we'll select cost adjustment. Here you can see various cost adjustment journals that has been created with accounting date, description and status. So to create a new cost adjustment journal, we'll click on this create button, and here you can see various details that needs to be filled like accounting date, description and so on. Now here we'll select that product for which we need to change the cost price. So here is the product. Now here, as you can see, the old cost price is 5, and here we'll enter the new price. So here the new cost price that we want to enter is 7, and we'll save it. Now as you can see, this cost adjustment journal is in the draft status. So as soon as you will click on this post button, this journal will be get posted, and only then this changes will be reflected. So now we shall click on this post button and see the changes. So as soon as we have clicked on this post button, the status has shifted to posted. Now we shall open the product master and see the changes. So this is the product, and now as you can see here in the cost has changed to 5 KD to 7 KD. Now we need to understand that for any cost adjustment that we do, there would be a financial impact for the same. So to see the financial impact, we will go to the finance module. So we'll click here and we'll click on the finance module, and under inquiries we'll click on entry analysis. So this is the entry analysis report, and here we have applied the date, and here we have applied the filter of this cost price adjustment interim account. So this is the account where all the differences amount through the cost adjustment goes, and here as you can see I have applied this journal filter also. So if you see these two journal entries, so as we know earlier that the stock value of that product was 80 KD, and as we have increased the cost price from 5 KD to 7 KD, the stock value has also increased to 112 KD. So in this case, the system has debited this 80 KD and credited this 112 KD, and the difference between these two amounts, that is minus 32 KD, is reflected here in this account. So the difference amount, that is minus 32 KD, is being credited in this cost price adjustment interim account. Now this account is just a transit account where the difference amount goes. You can transfer these amount to your actual account as per your requirements. So this is how the cost adjustment would have the financial impact. Earlier we have entered the product manually, But there might be situations where you want to change the cost price of large number of products. So in such situations, we can use the import format. So now we shall see how to import the products. So first, we shall open the product master and select two products that we will be importing. So these two are the products that we shall be importing. So first, we shall create this cost adjustment journal, and here we will enter all the details like date, description and so on, and we will click on save. Once you have saved this cost adjustment journal, now we shall import the products. So in order to import the products, first we will click here, click on this arrow and we will click on import products. And now first we will download the CSV import format file. So we will click on this download button. So this is the file that has been downloaded. So here you need to enter details like product ID and the new cost price of the product. So here, as you can see, we have entered the details like the product ID and the new cost price of the product. So for this product, the new cost price we have entered is 8 KD, and for this product we have entered the new cost price is 5 KD. So once you have entered all the details, now you need to save this file and we shall import it. So to import the products, now we will click here again, click on this arrow, click on import products, and now we will click on upload your file. We will click here and we will select this file that we have saved, click on enter and we will click on import. So as soon as we have clicked import, these two products are displayed here. So this is the old cost price of this product and this is the new cost price that we have entered. Once you have imported the products, now we shall click on this post button and this journal will be posted. So now we will click on this post button, and as you can see, this journal has been posted and the changes are updated. So this is how you can import the product lines. Now let's say you might have a situation wherein you want to change the cost price of a particular product, but some of the quantities of that product is reserved. So in such situations, you need to first unreserve the quantities of that product and then change the cost price. So let's see how we can achieve this. So this is the cost adjustment journal that we have created, and here we will enter all the details like date, description and so on, and here we will click and we will enter the product for which we need to change the price. So this is the product and this is the old cost price, and let's say new price that we need to enter is 5 and we'll save it. So as you can see, the system is showing this line in red. This is because some of the quantities of this product is reserved. Now first we shall unreserve the quantities. So to unreserve the quantities, we'll click here. So here, as you can see, this 50 and 33, that means 83 quantities of this product are reserved. So now we shall select these two stock moves, and here we will select unreserved moves. So as soon as we have selected this unreserved move, this stock move is clear and those quantities are now unreserved. So now if we come back to our cost adjustment journal, so now as you can see, this line is not in red, and now we can change the cost price of this product. Now we will click on this post button and this journal has been posted, and now the changes are reflected. So this is how you can unreserve the quantities of a particular product while doing the cost adjustment.